Hey everyone, it's Sandra from the DisneyCarToys channel.
Miss Betty also.
And today we are at McDonald's, and guess who's working here today? Shimmer.
Look at her awesome outfit.
Yeah, she's got her like little McDonald's hat and apron.
I love it.
There we go. She's still wearing her little Genie outfit underneath though. Super cute. So actually at the end of the video, I'll show you how to make an outfit for Shine because she
she needs
not
one too.
wearing one. Uh-oh.
Oh, she's off the clock right now.
Yeah, she's off the clock. She is eating right now.
Yeah, there's food.
Yes, there's tons of food. So today we're going to do some shopping at McDonald's and help Shimmer and Shine earn some money. It's like their first job.
Yep.
Everybody's first job.
They have to buy a new rug. It's getting old.
Yeah, new magic carpet. So I guess first let's eat some food and then or buy some food with our lovely cash register.
Ooh.
And we can buy some toys. So I think I'll buy this burger. Looks very tasty and there's gotta be something inside. Wait a minute.
Huh?
Wait a minute. What in the world? That is not a regular burger.
What is
Maybe
that?
they use their like Genie powers to turn this into something odd.
Like a transformer thingy? I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know. But you know what? I guess I'll ring it up though. I mean, I've touched it. Hamburger, so like maybe $2.
Okay.
For a hamburger. Okay, what do you want to buy?
You know, I like fries.
Okay.
I love fries. So,
Yeah,
and then,
eat your
but
fries.
this, okay.
You're the transformer too! I know, let me ring you up though. Okay,
French
those are
fries.
$1.
Okay, yeah, French fries are cheaper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and it's got like arms and stuff. Wow, weird.
That is bizarre. Oh, do they come out?
I think so.
Oh, weird. Oh yeah, they're like stuck inside. Oh, they slide out like this, like robots.
Wow, that is not
Yeah,
regular
that's, you
fry.
know what, I mean, their food's, actually, you know what, you better check out everything else. Let's see, so we're up to $3. Okay, how much does it drink? Like $1?
Yeah, it's $1, yeah.
So plus $1
Yep.
is now $4.
Yep, oh, it's a drink, yeah.
Yes, yeah, drink. And then their ice cream, oh yeah, down here.
Ice cream.
I say $2. Yeah, plus $2.
Okay.
So we owe $6.
$6. I
Let's
don't
check
think
out this ice cream now.
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Let's see. Oh yeah, wait. See, look, it's got hands.
Oh.
And it's
Look at this drink.
Oh my goodness, that's actually the most scary one. And this one's scary too.
It's like you thought your soda was gonna be normal.
Yes, no, I don't think so. Oh, that's weird. Oh, look, it's weird. It's like a wings or something. I don't know. This McDonald's food's a little crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, we owe them $6.
$6 for these weird little.
For the weird stuff. So luckily we have money.
Yeah, we have enough.
Here we go. $6. Shimmer and Shine. You're wealthy now. You know what? Since our food is so bizarre, I say we should make our own.
Yeah, we should make real food.
Let's see. I have a McDonald's fry maker.
Oh,
right
perfect.
here.
So we'll make fries.
Yeah, so we'll make fries.
So we need yellow plate for that.
We can do a McFlurry.
Oh, perfect.
Because everyone loves
Sunday.
McFlurries.
Extruder.
And then the apple pie.
Oh,
yummy.
some apple pie.
And then, chicken nuggets.
Oh, delicious.
Chicken nuggets.
Love chicken nuggets.
And cookies too.
Yum.
So let's do that. We'll make our own because that stuff is weird. And then also we'll open up some surprise Happy Meal toys too.
These have surprises.
Yes, so we'll ring those up on the cash register later. But now, yeah, let's prep to make some food.
All right, we're gonna make some French fries first, and I loaded the yellow Play-Doh in here, packed it nice and tight.
Oh
and you can see
wow!
it there.
It's like a special extruder. This is a very old McDonald's set, like
But it
very
works
old.
awesome. It like
Okay, let's
so
see
good.
it. Let's see some good fries. Hopefully they don't transform into monsters
I know,
like
right?
our weird other food.
Okay, and then you can see it pressing through.
Oh look, yummy, yummy! McDonald's fries are actually like super tasty. Oh wow, that is like perfect.
Look at that.
Holy cow! All those times I've been making my own McDonald's fries just from Play-Doh, I should use this extruder.
Look at that, it's beautiful.
It looks so perfect. Okay, let's see. Let's see if Tala approves.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely, definitely approves of it.
I love these.
Yummy. Okay, well, I'll make something for Shine then.
Perfect.
I'll make a McFlurry for her.
Yum, I love McFlurry.
I know. I haven't had one in like a really long time.
Oh, probably like
Years.
like years, like probably 10 years.
Okay, so let's load her up. Some white vanilla. I wish they had chocolate. That'd be amazing.
Oh, that would be really good.
Okay, so
Delicious.
I'm gonna have to just do this for a while.
Yeah,
It's like
to make a lot of
the McFlurry machine is actually a lot easier. So let me load it up again. Okay, so we're loading up some more. I actually did some on my own because I was
we
like,
filled it up because it's gonna take a long time.
I was gonna take you guys. You'd be sitting here for like 6 hours.
Yeah.
Here you swirl it.
Okay,
I'll like
swirl,
push.
swirl, swirl, swirl. Okay, swirl,
Okay,
swirl,
there we
swirl.
go.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna fill it up one more time because I mean we want a really full McFlurry.
We want a beautiful McFlurry.
Yes. So
it's looking good though.
it is looking really good.
Looking like a real one. Like.
And they usually have. I was thinking maybe we could add some sprinkles or something to
Yes,
it.
perfect.
We shall see. Okay.
Because what's it without topping, right?
Okay, so we push it down and turn. Oh, there we go. That's it. There
You just
we go.
twirl it around a little bit. There we go. Oh, beautiful.
Ta-da! And then I have some greenish Play-Doh because this is gonna be for shine.
Oh, perfect.
So I
That's
figured
totally
we'll
color.
add like just kind of like almost like M&Ms or sprinkles.
Ooh, yeah, M&Ms, like an M&M McFlurry.
Like a special mint M&Ms. How
Ooh.
amazing would that be?
Oh, that
okay,
would
there
be
we go.
delicious.
That looks delicious. Let's get Shine over here. We got some.
She's like, ooh, this is the best break ever.
I'm not working at McDonald's. Oh, this is awesome.
Yummy.
Okay, so let's check out really quick. I see our ice cream like $3.
Oh yeah, that's pretty good
And then
for that. And then
yours,
fries,
like,
probably like
$2.
$2. Yeah, let's see.
So $5.
$5. Cash.
Cash. Yep. They're gonna get tons of money.
Yep. Woo.
And then Inspire Toys. I
yeah,
have
how
bought
much is a
toys.
toy?
I feel like it's $1.50.
Okay.
So we can do. I'll get one,
Okay.
and then you'll
I'll
get one.
too. I'll put this
So then $3 total.
$3. Oh yeah, we got the cash.
Gosh, I know.
Alright,
Woohoo,
they're just
money,
making
money, money.
Alright.
Okay, sweet. So let's see what I got. Dashes! My Little Pony, which is perfect because they sell like My Little Ponies for your Happy
perfect.
Meal prize.
Oh yeah, they do.
Yeah.
And then I got a DC minifigures.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we haven't. It's been a really long time. Oh wait, hey, is that Green Lantern?
Green Lantern.
We have him? Maybe one?
Maybe, but I don't really remember opening
I
one.
don't remember opening one either. He's cool. Let me see mine. Oh, look, Pinkie Pie.
Oh, cute. Squishy, squishy.
Yes, she's very squishy. She's cute. Very cute. Oh, these are like. Actually, Pinkie Pie would be perfect for Shimmer. I'll put her over.
Oh, yeah, nice and
Shimmer.
pink, yeah.
There we go.
Cute.
So we got a couple more things that we can make. McNuggets, which I think this is actually how they make McNuggets in real life, right?
They take
And
the.
just simple because they're all like perfect looking,
they're
right?
all perfect. They take the chicken product
And then
and they put it in the molds and cut it up.
well, look at these. Like we have these McNugget buddies up here. McNuggetville Post Office.
Oh, cute.
And look, it's like a postal worker McNugget. They're actually all like super adorable. They kind of look like potatoes, don't they?
Oh my gosh, they totally do.
Look at all of them. They're like adorable. Oh, there's the fire department. No, that's cute.
I love it. So 90s.
Yeah, it's so totally 90s. So I'll make ourselves some McNuggets that we can
Oh, yummy.
buy here. We're kind of running low on money, by the way.
We better stop.
Yeah, we better
Just buying
stop.
toys.
Okay, let's see our nuggets. Oh, perfect. Ta-da! McNuggets!
Nugget.
Looks like a potato. That's really tasty. And then you can make with my leftover dough.
Oh, hey, dough.
Instead of money. This is the last of our dough. Actually, I'll just make
Oh,
it. The
pies.
pies.
Yes, I love.
Yeah, I haven't had their apple pie like since I was a little kid.
Yeah, and
Have
they
you?
used to fry them, and they were so good.
And now they're like
so
baked or something.
much worse for you.
I don't know what they are. Okay, so I'm just like putting tons of Play-Doh in here.
Yeah, let's see what it does. Okay. Squish, squish, squish. These are really hard to
Oh,
squish.
wow. Look, the McDonald's logo.
Perfect.
Cool.
Little pies.
Okay, what's this?
And now the trick is getting them out
Yes.
without
Oh, yeah.
breaking them. Right?
Gotta be careful. Magic fingers. So let's see.
They're kind of hard to get out.
They are hard to go. You're like jinxing me.
Uh-oh. I mean, they're easy.
Okay, what's it? Let me try this guy. There we go.
Oh, there you go.
Wait, come,
Oh, wait.
come on.
Oh, come on.
Okay, well, I'll show you this one
Okay,
because
well.
this one turned out. Other ones maybe lost forever. Oh, you got it. Hey, okay.
I mean,
There we go.
It might
How
be
much the apple pie I feel like is always on the dollar menu,
Yeah,
isn't it?
usually it's $1, yeah.
So
we got two
So we
pies
got
here.
two pies. So I guess $2 and then
A chicken nugget's
I might
probably like
$1. We're running low on money, so let's see. Chicken nuggets right here. Chicken McNuggets. Oh yeah, it's McNugget. There we go. We'll put
McNugget,
it right here. And here, okay, so $1 for our nugget, and then
$2 for the
$2 for pies, $3 total. There we go. Cash. There. Look at this money.
Look at there, making
we
lots
have
of money.
one more thing we can make though. A cookie. Isn't this cool?
Ooh,
delicious. So we'll get prepped for that.
Alright, so we're gonna make a cookie, and I already put the little chocolate chips in the bottom here. So delicious.
Do they still sell cookies? Okay, they did. I remember when I was a kid, they sold those cinnamon cookies, but then also they had bags of chocolate chip cookies.
Ooh.
But I don't know if they do anymore.
I know, I'm like,
okay, let us know in the comments if you know.
Yeah.
Oh wow, that was like perfect. Cookie Monster would be proud.
He'd be like, I want it. Give me the cookie.
Yeah, this is like, our Play-Doh is almost too good. That's hard to peel off.
I know, it's like so amazing.
Yeah, where's my knife?
Oh yeah, get our beautiful knife here.
Yes, I love our Play-Doh knives. Okay.
They are perfect. Let's see.
There we go. Okay, I think that's, oops, sorry, I stabbed you.
And luckily they are safe.
Okay, yeah, luckily it's plastic. Okay, there we go. That is delicious. Okay, I say $1 for the cookie, and we can give it to Pinkie Pie. I mean, well, actually, you know what? Wait. I'm just kidding. We should give the pie to Pinkie Pie.
Pinkie Pie, yeah.
Yeah, and then we can give maybe the cookie to Green Lantern, because he's like one of those like meh superheroes, so he needs a cookie.
It's like, here's a cookie.
There we go. Tasty, and then we'll pay our $1.
Perfect.
So, what's our cookie button here? I don't even see one.
Cookie, yeah. See, they don't even have.
I don't even know what this says. Wait, what is that?
Oh, that's Happy Meal. Let's do it as just a pie, maybe.
Okay.
Because those are $1 each. So, then we'll take cash.
Okay, and we only have $10 left. Is that crazy?
Oh man, we blew through a lot.
Oh wait, well we have to buy toys yet. So I have to bring some change, I guess.
Okay, because they're
like $1.50 we said.
So it's $3 for another 2.
Yeah, so I'll grab this one.
Okay,
that one.
I'll grab this one.
We have the same box.
Perfect.
Okay, so let me see. Oh, Monster High minis. These are really cool.
Very cool.
Very legit.
Shopkin.
What? Oh wow, look at this one. She's so cute.
Wow, what is
bedtime? I don't know what her name is.
Let's look it up.
Let's see if she's special though. She kind of looks special to me, but you never know.
She looks cool. And I got my little backpacks. Shopkin.
Oh, she is a blue skull, so common.
Okay. Very cool. Yeah, I like her hair too.
Okay.
And then let's see. I got the Shopkins. Okay.
This is season 5.
Season 5. Let's get that open.
Our most recent. It's funny, there's so many seasons now. I remember back when there was just one season.
I know, right? That was 5.
Oh wow, that's cool. That's the like little roll.
Jelly jam roll. Yep.
Yeah, jelly jam roll.
She's coming.
And then this seems interesting. Let's see, good shape. Oh, hey, is this the piano?
Oh, piano. I love the piano.
Cool.
Piano, where are you?
I don't know. Do we have?
Oh yeah, here. Poly piano.
Oh, okay. And
she's
rare. Sweet.
Cool.
Alrighty, so we're going to make Shine's lovely outfit as promised. So it's just going to be apron, and I'm going to make it very basic. So like a little wider.
There we
like
go.
This.
Oh, okay.
And then
a little perfect.
Like kind of like a little skirt.
Oh, perfect.
There we go. Now we have some extra red, which I'll use in a second.
Yep.
So just fold out her arms like this.
And just kind of
attach it. Yeah. These are easy, I feel like. Very easy. Okay. And then I'm just going to take like an extra piece of Play-Doh and just kind of attach it on the back, just kind of to hold it together like the strap.
That's a good idea.
And that's what I did with Shimmers too. So it's very easy. I'm just doing like a very basic outfit here, like that.
Perfect.
And then we need to make the M.
Oh yeah.
So I already like kind of pre-rolled out some yellow here. I'm gonna put her down.
Beautiful. Fold it up good like that.
The arch is always difficult. It's kind of okay.
Right.
There we go. The golden arch.
That looks really good. Yeah. Perfect.
And then I need just a little bit of red for the strap, so I'm just gonna kind of roll it out in my palm here.
Just throw a little teeny strap out of there.
Yeah.
Skinny, and then wrap it around her neck.
Yeah. Sorry.
Make it longer.
Because she's got like such a big head.
It's like, woo! Yeah, their heads are very disproportionate.
She's very smart though, that's why.
all that brain, all that genie magic in it.
Yeah, it requires some brain power. There we go. So strap there. So we're good with that. And then I have to make her hat.
Oh yeah, we need a little visor.
The visor for Shimmer, actually if you want to hold her for a second.
Yeah, gotta be.
It's like, I just kind of took a big ball of Play-Doh and like shaped it on her head. No joke.
Hey, it works.
Yeah, it worked. So you take like
Master
a big ball of Play-Doh
and you
just kind of sculpt it on her head like that.
Just form it.
There you go. It's almost like a Napoleon hat. There we go.
Oh yeah, like a tricorn hat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, funny.
There we go. And then we have yellow again. So we'll take the M again, but smaller.
There you go. Oh, cool.
Yeah.
The M's turned out perfect.
There we go. Ta-da! And now she officially has a job!
Yeah, so her...
Yeah, these turned out really well.
Yep.
See, twinners, they work together.
Yep, but Shimmer's like, hey, I've been working, it's my turn.
Yeah, it's her turn to take a little break and eat some McDonald's food. Actually, my favorite that we made is the fries. So
I know, I love
she can eat those.
I want some now.
I know, me too, I'm hungry. Well, please make sure to like this video, especially if you want more Shimmer Shine or Play-Doh videos.
Yep.
And subscribe to the DisneyCarToys channel. In the comments, let us know what your favorite thing to eat at McDonald's is.
Ooh.
I'd say, honestly, just since it's in front of my face, fries.
The fries. Delicious. I love the burgers.
Click on a picture to watch another fun toy video and click on the question mark to watch a mystery video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.